I started investing in March 2019 and every year I'm in the red. What would you do? A couple days ago there was a post about your biggest wins. Some users turned 45K into 1.1 meters or how they invested in AMC and made retirement level money. This is how my portfolio looks like versus SP 500 since March 2019. 2019-18, 2026, 2021 7.5, 2022 6.2, 2023 15 YTD mostly ETF, energy and tech. I started investing in individual stocks and ETFs with the strategy of taking profits if it looks too good and selling off if I lose more than 50. My major trades: sold 50 TSLA with 200 in 2020. It looked too good to be true, especially when the whole economy was contracting due to COVID. Luxury tech cars would be the first to go. If I had waited 2 years it would be 2000. Bought 2x inversed SP 500 in January 2020 but forgot that 15 unemployment and all the shops closed is like nothing for US economy. A million deaths here and there doesn't change anything. Bought 100 GME in 2019 and sold them for a loss just before the short squeeze because the stock has been on a downfall ever since. I hoped for a pivot of the whole strategy of GameStop for more than a year and finally sold, not seeing any upward movement. Instead of 3,800 got 27. Binned 92. I broke my rule here because I was on holidays when it dropped. Sold CDR before Cyberpunk release and got 120 because I knew it will be bed badly by critics. But then bought back at sale shortly after the fall and sold at a loss seeing how it trends down. Sold 100 NVDA in 2020 with 60. Now it would be 1,000. My overall realized gains is $8,000 and YTD is 15. There is no hope at all for me. I tried to understand the stock market and can't. Since 2020 there is no logic. Penny stocks are doing 1,000. Strong companies that have positive cash flows and very low liabilities are just cruising or going down. Bad companies not bringing any profits or exploding because they are being memes. And I don't know what to do because it looks like the stock market will be flat for the next couple of years and interest rates for real estate are so humongous I don't qualify. I thought the stock market is the way to park money, but this inflation I'm losing money left and right. Edit major stocks that I still hold since 2019. ENPH, SEDG, DIS, MSFT, AMD, WM, AAPL, ATV. Edit 2. Thanks for all the hate. Stop trading. What you're doing is not investing. If you weren't trying to time the market you would probably have a positive return. Even if just from holding TSLA or NVDA. Invest in companies you have strong conviction in long term with money that you can afford. That way you are less tempted to be emotional during highs and lows. If you do have to realize profits, do so by selling back down to your original investment instead of getting out completely. You've been trading meme stocks in a very irrational market. Surprised you're not more deeply into red. Your performance is based on stocks picked and wrong strategy executed. You do better with a boring index and leave it alone. Want to play? Have maybe 10 set aside. Try your strategy. GME, AMC, Nikola, etc. I fucked up my account too. 20K. I found out IDK how to trade. I buy $100 of SPY every week for my retirement account and that works well. I'm up on that. I stopped putting money into my short-term account. I use CCs with existing stock and use that CC premium as my gambling money. You are learning firsthand why 99% of traders cannot beat the market. Also, to your point that the stock market has no logic, if the stock market moved on logic, then everyone would be able to make money. So naturally, it does not follow logic. For the most part, this will never change. I would buy VU and stop trading. You were invested in TSLA and NVDA, then sold each. If you had put 25 in TSLA, 25 in NVDA, and 50 in BIND, your biggest loser, then you would have had a 3x result with 32 CAGR since 2019. If you believe in the company, don't sell your winners. If you don't believe in the company long term, don't buy it. You could read what Peter Lynch says about this. Let your winners run. Thank you for being so open about this disaster. It's difficult to share bad news and it takes tremendous courage to do this. I think you have two options. 1. If investments aren't going to be your life, just accept it's better to buy an index fund and leave it alone. Find a new hobby and accept you will get a better result this way. 2. If you do have a passion and want to keep going, put your money in index funds for now and continue to learn. Read the tomes that made the legends and read the psychology on how to approach the market. Then slowly consider trying again with small amounts. Courageous post, well done. Over time, very few traders will beat the SP. I would sell and buy $VT or $VU if you're unhappy lagging the market. I lost about $1,000 of fun gambling money about 2 years ago after seeing unrealized 20-30 gains. Came to the realization that 99% of retail investors suck at trading and won't beat the SP 500. Give up on yourself. You are not the one. Being in that one requires extreme luck or 16 hours of research a day. If you don't have one or both of those, buy VU and forget about it. Index and forget. DCA into QQQ. All you needed to do was buy VU and maybe BRKB and buy some more, especially in bad times. Hold long term and chill. Stop trading. Start DCA into VTI. Focus on growing your income and savings rate. Win. The best thing to do is do nothing at all. If you had the patience, you wouldn't be posting this thread at all. Stick to companies or index funds you truly believe in. Have your finances and emergency funds in order and you will never have to touch your invested funds and watch them grow over time. Riding the wave is a lot easier that way. You seem to be gambling instead of investing. Learn how to value a company based off financials. Read their earnings reports and 10K. 99% of investors don't beat the market. It may seem like lots of other people are making money, but usually people don't brag about losing money outside of WSB. You have a gambling problem. Stop trading. Put money in your 401k. Stop using your brokerage. Don't trade. Do something else with your time. Set up an automatic investment and leave it alone. How the hell did you not make money in 2021? That seems almost impossible without intent. Which strong companies, with strong cash flows, are going nowhere since 2019? Agreed with everyone. Stop trading and invest. The market is up 15 YTD, so what you are doing is not working. Stick with SPY and QQQM and DCA into them. If you want to gamble on some trades, then use 10 of the portfolio. Take it more seriously. Invest into ETFs or OTUOC funds and use the time saved to watch baseball. Stop trading and just buy ETFs. No offense, but you're clearly not good at this. And going against that advice is just continuing to throw money away.